Come on out, Sonny.
He's too close.
All right, come on, get back! What the fuck are you doing? Get back!
Get him back.
Get back!
All right.
Okay? Come on out. Now, take a look at this. Come on. Here, look. Look up here. Look. Look. Look over here. Huh? Over there, right. We got everything here, okay?
Got the militia out here, huh?
Let Sal come out and take a look, all right? What hope you got, huh? Come on, quit while you're ahead. All you got is attempted robbery.
Armed robbery.
All right, armed then.
Yeah.
Nobody's been hurt. Release the hostages. Nobody's gonna worry over kidnapping charges. The most you're gonna get is 5 years. You get out in 1 year, huh?
Kiss me, man.
What?
Kiss me. When I'm being fucked, I like to get kissed
Hey,
a
come
lot.
on, come on, come on.
You're a city cop, right? Robbing a bank's a federal offense. They got me on kidnapping, armed robbery. They're gonna bury me, man. I don't want to talk to somebody who's trying to calm me. Get somebody in charge here.
I am in charge.
I don't want
here.
to talk to some flunky pig trying to calm me, man.
You don't have to be calling.
What's he doing?
Hey, will you get back
What
over
are you
there?
moving in there for?
Will you
What's
get
he
the
doing?
fuck back there?
Huh?
Get back
What's
there,
he
will
doing?
you?
Look at him with
Come
him.
on, get over there.
Go on back there, man.
Get over there, will you?
He wants to kill me so bad he can taste it.
I'm always gonna kill somebody.
Attica! Attica!
Will you?
Attica! 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 Remember Attica! Go ahead! Go ahead! Throw off the funny old fucking back! Put their guns down! Put your guns down! Come on, watch it for the TV, guys. They kill us all.
Get back over there.
Fucking guns down! Tell them to put their guns down!
Come on, will you get him back? Will you?
Put the guns down!
Get back!
Put the fucking guns down!
Put those guns down!
Put them down! Put them down! Put those fucking guns down! Put those guns down! Attica! You got it, man! You got it, man! You got it, man! You got it! You got it! You got it, man! You got it right! You got it right! You got it! You got it! You got it right!
Headquarters in Washington has
Robbing a bank.
produced the information as
What
to the
was-
identity
what-
of one of the men in the bank. who
Why
has a
didn't he
previous
tell
army
me
record,
he needed
who served
money?
in
He should have.
Vietnam.
He
His
should have come to me
name
if he
is
needed
Sonny
money.
Wardzik.
I-
It'll look like here.
couldn't
So
believe it.
far, we know that 8 people are still being held in the bank. The situation inside the bank is totally unknown to us, other than descriptions that have been obtained from Howard Calvin. He
Why rob a
reports-
bank when you got a sucker for a mother?
We'll switch you now to Ron Cummins at the bank in Brooklyn.
Miss Benson, what's it like inside?
They're holding
Just keep-
up. What can you say? The guy in there.
Got a deal?
Who's got a gun on him? He's very quiet type.
Is there enough confidence in Detective Moretti?
Well, they don't know Detective Moretti yet. You know, I gotta go now. What's this with the hands?
She's out. Let her stay out. Come on, stay out.
They're my girls. I'm going back in there.